Tecxo Solutions, also known as Mobbio Technology Pvt. Today I am going to show one of the new concepts. It's actually air duct inspection robot. The main purpose of this robot to inspect the air duct, which is actually present in any industry, in any mall, or anything, anywhere in buildings also. So the air duct is very long place where we can't be find any holes and what the condition inside it. For that we have to manufacture these types of the small compact air duct inspection robot. For the whatever the view we have to see inside the air duct, we have to just seen by this wireless camera. We have to attach this wireless camera, have rotate in 360 directions. Also we have to develop the wireless operated robot, which is wireless operated by this remote part present at the outside. Okay, now this circuit board consists of the Arduino microcontroller with GPS and GSM technology. GSM technology have gives the particular messages to the outside controller. The controller who are present outside, who can control the robot, that person will use the particular message from this GSM model. The main thing of this total robot is the sensors. We have attached the two types of the sensor. First is the temperature sensor present at the front of the side. Second thing is the LDR sensor, that is light detected sensor. Okay, the main purpose of these sensors is the temperature. Whatever the temperature present inside the air duct will be used automatically by the GSM model. Also, the light holes which are present at the air duct is detected by the LDR. Another mechanism we have added here is the cleaning mechanism, which is rotate continuously. Actually, it is used to clean the air duct, which is like a net present inside the air duct. It is cleaned by these mechanisms. In front of the camera, it is also be. We can't be find a better way to if there is a net just in front of this camera. For this, we have to attach these mechanisms to clean that net. After that, we have to just rotate this control panels on the app, so the directions of this camera is also rotated like this way. So we can directly view the whole system in a air duct. Okay, so it is very important to also connect your camera with the app and control it. Okay, this is also the important steps. Next thing is controlling the whole air duct inspection robot, like forward, and all that. So let's see. So I have just moved this robot. Stop. Let's see in the forward direction. In this way it moves in the forward direction. Now we can stop here. Now in the backward direction, we have to stop. For left, like this, and for right, stop. So stop. So in this way we can be control the air duct inspection robot through the wireless remote operated functions. Now we have to operate these mechanisms, that is a cleaning mechanism present at the front. So let's see. Now we have to see the motor is rotating on and stop. So in this way we have to just operate the air duct inspection robot inside the air duct chambers through wireless remote control board. Also we have to monitor the whole systems inside the air duct. Now we have the temperature sensors and LDR present sensor at the front. So they have written gives a particular message of temperatures and hole detected systems to our mobile direct via GSM modem message. So let's see. Also the message is like temperature and all that. So let's see first things. Now we have detected some hole, that is light hole to this LDR. Now the hole is detected. Now I have received one message from this, that is the temperatures present, and also it sends the particular link. That link is for the GPS modems, and also returns that is what the temperature presents, and also returns that means hole detected. So it continues sends the particular messages of temperatures. Okay, also it returns like hole detected. So in this way the total project runs, and in this way the total look like that it gives the particular temperatures, and it continues sends the message. And if suppose if suppose there is any light hole is detected, then it gives the LDR light hole detect with the temperature of this. So in this way the total functions of air duct inspection robot is done through the wireless operating systems, wireless GSM and GPS modems, and through the wireless that is camera systems. And hope you guys like this type of the project.